Let's make Vietnamese fish sauce dipping sauce, Nước Chấm. This sauce is highly addictive and it pairs so well with almost everything. I enjoy this with Vietnamese bun cuốn and bun xeo. Anything made with fish sauce Nước Mắm I'm a fan of. And guess what? It's super easy to make. Let's dive into the recipe. First, in the mixing bowl, add your desired amount of minced garlic. Half cup of sugar, 1 cup of warm or hot water. Give it a whisk till the sugar becomes dissolved. A half cup of fish sauce. A half a cup of lime. Give it another whisk, combine well until the sugar becomes well dissolved. Now if you want to give it a little kick, add some chili peppers. Just like that, we're done guys. I like to keep mine in a mason jar and use it at my convenience. Wow, look at that. This is liquid gold. Come on, follow for more.
So good. All the herbs, so good. It's so refreshing.
Đã không còn người yêu hỡi, ngày xưa anh đôi ta bên nhau không rời, ngồi trên cánh nhìn đến đêm hát vu vơ mây